The EZ Sander 65 is the largest of the 3 EZ sanders from Manpa. It consists of 6 sanding sleeves with 12 brush sanders to remove the debris as it sands. They are easily changeable by removing the O-ring at the bottom, pulling off the washer, and then simply pull out the sanding sleeve and replace with the desired grit. The same with the brushes as they wear out. Simply replace the O-ring, and now you're ready to attach to the keyless chuck, attached to the multi-extension shaft, and now you're ready to sand. EZ Sander 65 is the only one that allows you 2 options that the 22 and the 42 do not. That is 2 different ways of attaching it to your power source. With the standard insert with the shaft that can go directly into your drill, or with the special insert that can now be attached to the end of the multi-extension shaft. And now you're ready to sand.